Hey guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to another video. So I want to organize our bedroom as I do some laundry because the weather has not been that good of late. So I always ensure to at least place dirty clothes in the washer so that they don't pile up. This room is so messy, and yeah, what I want to do is I also want to change the bedding, and I'll be making chips masala for lunch because I've been craving that for quite a while. I'm actually glad that today I don't have much to do around the house. This bedroom is the messy one, and that is what I want to start with right now.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
I'm done with organizing the bedroom and just wiping the places that I needed to wipe, and luckily enough the first load of laundry is done. So I want to remove them really fast and go hang them as I put the second load.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations.
So I'm already done with organizing the bedroom, so I want to start on cooking. What I'll be cooking today is chips masala, which I've been craving for a very long time. I'll start by boiling the tomatoes because I want to blend them. I like boiling the tomatoes before blending them. That makes the paste a little bit thicker than when it's blended when they're not boiled. So I usually boil my tomatoes like for same 3 to 4 minutes before I blend them.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your
slow dancing in the night. Yeah, I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No, no. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Oh, just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me.
So at this point I'm done with frying the potatoes. What I want to do is make the masala sauce, and I've already prepared the ingredients that I'll be using. That's the onions, the tomatoes, and dhania, and I'll also be using some spices. So that is what I want to do right now.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't.
So guys, my chips masala is ready, and I'm glad the way it turned out. It was so delicious because I'm editing this video after eating the chips, and I did not add the chili flakes because my baby will be having these ones too. So I'll only use chili in my plate. So yeah guys, I think that's it for me today, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will highly appreciate it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I will see you in my next one.
I just wanna be happy.